Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to link your Samsung Galaxy Watch to Google Fit, step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your devices and apps. Make sure your Samsung Galaxy Watch is paired with your smartphone using the Galaxy Wearable app. You'll also need the Google Fit app installed on the same phone and a Google account. Step 2. Update your apps. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and Google Fit app to ensure both are updated to the latest versions. This helps prevent syncing issues. Step 3. Open the Galaxy Wearable app. Launch the Galaxy Wearable app, select your connected Galaxy Watch, and go to Samsung Health Settings. Step 4. Enable data sharing with Google Fit. In Samsung Health, look for Connected Services or Data Sharing, then select Google Fit. Sign in with your Google account and grant permissions to share fitness data, including steps, heart rate, and workouts. Step 5. Open Google Fit. Launch the Google Fit app to verify that your Samsung Health data is being synced. Your daily activity metrics should start appearing automatically. Step 6. Test the connection. Try a short walk or workout on your Galaxy Watch, then open Google Fit to confirm that the steps, heart rate, and other activity data are updating correctly. Step 7. Customize settings. Within Google Fit, you can adjust which metrics to track and view your data in graphs, making it easier to monitor your fitness progress. Your Samsung Galaxy Watch is now linked to Google Fit, giving you a complete view of your health and activity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more fitness and tech tutorials.